What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to another episode where we talk about all things NAS100. Okay, so now let's get straight into it. So on Monday, we literally was on this week over here, and I said price was going to be pushing down, and price has pushed down. Bearing in mind it has been somewhat super volatile. So if I highlight this area in a darker color, right, just so we can focus on it when we go into a lower time frame. So as you can see, the time frame is in the background over here, hourly, right? And this is what we got over the last 2 days from Monday, right? So from Monday, this is what we got. Now there's been a few areas of concern that would have created quite a fair bit of problems for us. Now I literally haven't jumped back into the market just because it's been too volatile, right? And for the stops that I need, there was a very high chance that I would have got closed out. There was no safe space. There was no safe place, sorry. And I wasn't literally on the charts every single minute of the day. So there was a lot of things that I missed just purely because I couldn't give it that level of focus, and it was super volatile. One of the areas that I want to focus on are the liquidity grabs. So liquidity grab over here and liquidity grab over here. Okay, so these areas was targeting anyone that put sales or had stop losses above this level over here. Okay, and as you can see, it basically wreaked havoc, even though price is still going down and it's continuing to do so. All right, so on that note, what I've basically done is I'm just going to wait until price gets into a nice comfortable location where I would then be able to take really good advantage of it. Right, so it being said, I think price is going to push down some more, right? So it's going to push down some more. It really looks like it wants to do that anyways, but it is going to push down some more. And then once it gets back down to this level over here, which is going to be super interesting. So two things that we're looking for. The first being, will price come to this level, right, and then push back up? Okay, push back up to get to this zone again, right, which it will probably do, say, in about a couple days. So we're talking a potential move for next week. Or will price pull back down from this level and come straight down to, let me just minimize this a little. Okay, or will price come all the way down to this zone over here, right? So these are the areas that I want to draw your attention to. So the first is price is over here right now. So price is sitting at, currently of the making of this video, is at 1170. No, it's at 11705.25. It's bouncing around in that zone right now. Okay, so what I'm saying is this, right? So option number one, price comes to this, price bounces off this trend line, which is an assumption that it sticks to this trend line over here. Okay, so that is first assumption, right? What it does when it gets to that level. Second is, should price break this level over here, which is 1152.4.87. if price breaks that, and if price breaks that, then we're looking for a potential entry in this zone over here at 11045.08, where we're hoping that we would have gotten a double bottom, right, and then price would then begin to push back up again, right? And the third scenario is that price bounces off this level where is that right now and heads back into this zone, and that zone is this right here, right? So that is 12160.78. So these are the moves that I'm expecting between today and Friday, what price is going to do. But I've missed most of this and I need to see a decision. if it's going to be from this level or if it's going to break through and make its way down, at which point I may or may not attempt to join it at levels where it breaks a key level where I know that, okay, it's going to continue in that trajectory in a following in a potential direction, right? So these are the things that I am thinking about for now in terms of where I think price is going to go. So this video is actually quite short, right? So yeah, I want to thank you for coming over, watching another episode. If you haven't done so already and you found the video useful, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, and drop us a quick like. These things will cost you absolutely nothing, especially if you found the video useful. So on that note, guys, I want to thank you for giving me your attention once more, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And for now, this is Pips and Points signing out.